Hello and welcome to the Canva Tips and Tricks series by Mohsin Digital House. In this tutorial, we will learn about 10 amazing, free and powerful tips and tricks in Canva that you probably didn't know about. With the help of these tips and tricks, you'll be able to create amazing designs easily. You'll also learn how to change the color of selected elements in an image, create bubble head characters, and much more. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a good understanding of these 10 powerful tips and tricks, and you will be able to use them to create stunning designs effortlessly. Let's begin by exploring these 10 powerful Canva tips and tricks one by one. Canva shortcuts. The first tip is using shortcut keys. When you create any design in Canva, it consists of multiple different elements, such as shapes, text, and images. To access these elements, you usually have to go to the Elements menu. However, repeatedly navigating to the Elements menu can be time-consuming. For example, if you frequently need to add text, you'll have to keep opening the text menu. To save time, you can use some shortcut keys. There are 5 essential shortcut keys in Canva. If you memorize them, you won't need to keep going back to the Elements or text menus. C adds a circle to your design. R adds a rectangle. L adds a line. T adds a text paragraph. Slash key opens the Quick Action menu. The Quick Action menu allows you to search for any design element in Canva instantly. For example, if you type happy in the search bar, you will see related graphics, photos, design templates, and videos. These 5 shortcut keys are very important and will make designing much faster. Professional color designs in one click. With the next trick, you can create professional color designs effortlessly. Even if your design elements are well positioned and the text size is correct, your design won't look professional unless you use the right colors. For example, in the current design, incorrect color choices make it look unprofessional. With this trick, you can convert your design into a professional looking one with just one click. To do this, 1. Go to the Design menu. 2. Click on Styles next to Templates. 3. Open the Color Palettes section and click See All. Color palettes are professionally designed color combinations that complement each other. Click on any color palette and it will be applied to your design. If you want to shuffle colors, click on the same color palette again to change the color arrangement. You will find many different color palettes to choose from. If you want to import a color palette from Google, simply download it. Right-click on it and select Apply Colors to Page. With this trick, you can easily apply professional color palettes to your designs. You can see the difference now. The design looks much more professional. Text Overlay effect in Canva. Now, let's learn how to create overlapping text effects. This trick is quite simple, but before applying it, you need to remove the background of your image. To do this, 1. Select your image. 2. Use the Background Remover option. Note, the Background Remover is a pro feature. If you want to remove backgrounds for free, go to Apps and search for Background Remover. You'll find multiple free apps that can help you remove backgrounds from images. I recommend using Background Cleaner. After removing background, write your text and then change the font. After changing font, duplicate this and then go to Effects panel and select Hollow. Now select that first text layer and send to back, and then you can take that hollow layer above and set both text layers. You can also adjust the design. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Since there are more tips and tricks to cover, I will be making a part 2 for the remaining ones. Stay tuned.